If you're broke and wondering why, there's a decent chance you're spending money like a drunk raccoon at a vending machine. I'm not here to shame you. I've done half of these things on this list myself. Some more than once. Okay, more than 5 times. But here's the truth. Most people are wasting thousands of dollars a year on stuff that does nothing for their future. So today I'm breaking down the 21 things broke people waste money on, the little habits to quietly suck your wallet dry. A few of these are going to make you laugh, some are going to make you cringe, and at least one of them will have you yelling, okay, that's enough, unsubscribe. But if you stick with me, you'll walk away knowing exactly where your money is leaking and how to stop it. Let's get into it. Number 1 is impulse buys. You're in line, you've got everything you need until that $5 candy bar or that weird Amazon gadget sneaks into your cart. No big deal until you do it 400 times a year. Use the 24-hour rule. Want something? Wait a day. 90% of the time, you'll forget you even wanted it. Number 2 is eating out. $3,600 a year on takeout. That's a whole vacation or a Roth IRA. Set a fun money cap, $50 a month max for eating out. When it's gone, it's chef time. Number 3 is credit card interest. That $30 hoodie you did not pay off last month. Yeah, that's $42 now. And your credit score is crying. The average American loses $1,000 or more a year in interest. That's not credit, that's a self-imposed tax. In-app and game spending. That $20 Fortnite skin, it's giving cool in-game, but broke in real life. Overpaying for insurance. Insurance is necessary. Overpaying is not. And make sure to shop your rates every couple of years. Number 6 is expensive cars. If you need a $700 payment to look successful, you're impressing people who don't care. All while bankrupting yourself. Little treats too often. That $6 latte, that's $936 a year. Try a weekly treat day. You'll appreciate it more and your wallet will too. Quick pause. If this list is hitting home, tap that like button. It helps the channel grow and it tells the algorithm this is the kind of content that people want more of. Number 8 is designer clothes. If your $400 belt is holding up a $0 in savings, it's not fashion, that's a financial fail. Number 9 is designer baby clothes. Your baby doesn't know Burberry from bananas. Save the Gucci money for their college fund. Number 10 is pricey phone plans, $141 a month. Text yo and ignore group chats. Mint Mobile is $25. Number 11 is financing your phone. Renting your phone is the financial equivalent of buying ice by the cube. Just don't. Banking fees. You're paying a bank to hold your money. Switch to SoFi, Ally, or Capital One for no fees and no nonsense. Number 13 is your vices, your vapes, smokes, Zyn, energy drinks. Your wallet hates your coping mechanism. 1 pack a day habit, that's $3,000 a year. Extended warranties. You bought a $30 toaster and added a $15 warranty. No, that's comedy. Number 15 is forgotten subscriptions. You're still paying for HBO Max from that one show that you finished a year ago. Use Rocket Money or Truebill or just look at your credit card statement to clean that up. Number 16 is cable TV, $120 a month for 500 channels you don't watch. Cut the cord, stream smarter. Number 17 is leasing cars. If you can't own it, don't lease it. Leasing is renting. Renting is losing. Ask what's the total cost, not what's the monthly payment. Number 18 is unused gym memberships. Your gym misses you, but your wallet doesn't. Walk, do push-ups, YouTube workouts, save the $50 guilt tax. Number 19 is sports betting. You're not due for a win. The house is. That $50 a week, that's $2,600 a year down the drain. Number 20 is lottery tickets. You have a better chance of getting hit by lightning twice while holding a winning ticket. Put that money in an index fund instead. $80 a month could turn into $40,000 plus in 20 years. Number 21 is expensive dates, $150 dinner. That doesn't mean love. A $20 picnic in a real effort, that's a way better ROI. There's a rapid fire. If it auto renews, check it. If you forgot about it, cancel it. If it impresses strangers but killed your goals, ditch it. If you wouldn't pay cash for it, maybe don't finance it. Being broke isn't just about income, it's about choices. Small leaks sink a big ship. Cut the waste, keep the money, say yes to your future, and no to dumb financial habits. If you got something out of this, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's one thing you're cutting after watching this? Your future self is watching. Let's make them proud.